morning, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be on the hunt for some barn owls. I spotted some just the other day, so I'm going back to see if I can get some footage. Let's see if I can get any. Well, here we are. This is the field where I saw them the other day between 7 and 7:30 in the morning when I was out cycling. Hopefully they'll turn up again this morning. I mean, the time now is 10 to 6, so I've got over an hour to wait just in case they show up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we play the waiting game. Let's see if they show up. Well, there's no barn owls yet, but there's a roe deer. I think I've just seen one right over there in the distance, at the other end of the field, so let's go see if there is one there. Try and get some footage of it. There it is, look. Well, the barn owls have gone now. it's just gone 7 in the morning and I'm about to pack up and head home. Although I have heard a cuckoo around somewhere, so I might have to try and get a bit of footage of that before I do go home. I've had a great morning, first time I've got barn owl footage. The footage might not be the best, but I'm more than happy with how the morning's gone. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao for now.